Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pragati here. So we have this patient who has come from Lucknow to get his few facial makeovers done. So he had three concerns. One is he had a very small chin which was backwardly placed. The second was he had a scar over on this region which we have done scar revision, and the third was he had a droopy eyes, that is below the eyes he had a droopy skin. So he had these three conditions and we have followed up the case. So what we did was, for the eyes we have done blepharoplasty, for the scar we have done scar revision, that is below this bandage. I will be showing it to you, and for the retruded or a small chin that was backwardly placed, we have got it forward. Okay, so we have done some vertical and horizontal advancement by the genioplasty technique, and we have got his chin forward. So let us see now how it is, how the surgery, everything has come out well, but there will be a little pain. I'm so sorry about this. So this is again will be like a
steamed it or something. Was it
steamed it?
3 days?
Okay, can I get some sterilium?
Because my beard has come out of the stitches.
1 second. No stitches and all. See, there are no extra oral stitches. That means no stitches are put outside. ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, so we can use spray bottle for the sterilium to remove this next time. This, if it is wet, so sorry, that's sterilium, that's okay, no worries, just like your hand sanitizer. Good.
How much is left? Just wet it.
Yeah, I'll just do that. That's it. Okay, this is the worst part, I know. Rather than surgery, everything this hurts. That's good. Hurts.
Swelling is still there, I
Yeah,
guess.
swelling is still there. So swelling always takes at least 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so swelling takes 3 to 4 weeks to subside. Then you'll know the real effect of how the surgery has gone, everything. Yes, you can see. Everything is swelling. This part, and this. Everywhere there is swelling over here. So once the swelling subsides, then you'll have a clear jawline over there. So here we had done a scar revision. I'll be removing the stitches in a couple of minutes. So you can see there was a scar over here, right? So this was the scar you had. So that one I'll remove the stitches. So if you can see we have removed the scar, and there are stitches also. They're not visible much because we have used the 60 Vicryl Rapid, and those are all the absorbable suture, but still I'll be removing it now. Let us see. Can you please slide it? Yeah, can you show this? Can you turn that side a little? That side, yes. So you can see how backwardly his chin was placed. Now you can see how properly it has come front. Now it looks a proper muscular and strong jaw that he has got over here, just because we have changed the shape of the chin here. Rather than saying the shape of the chin, we have changed the place where it was before. So the chin was placed backwardly, now we have got it front. So we have done some vertical advancement and also horizontal advancement, so that he has this masculine kind of chin. Can you please slide? Yes. No, this side. Yes. Turn this side please. Yes, you can see the profile. That's great. Yes, turn this side. One more time. Okay, cool. So these are the changes we have done. So here blepharoplasty was done, and he has got little of ecchymosis, that is due to the bleeding. It has happened like this. This again takes a couple of weeks, and this everything will subside. Then he'll not have those droopy eyelids that he had before. The healing is quite good. So if you can please zoom the camera, we can see how the sutures have settled in. So there is this very thin line of sutures that you can see here. See that, but this has happened because of the ecchymosis that usually forms for most of the patients, but it will again takes a couple of weeks, like in another 1 to 1.5 weeks this would have subsided, then he won't be having this redness or blackness around his eyes. So but right now it is there even inside his eyes, but this is not to be something worried of too much because it subsides on its own. Our body has a mechanism where it takes care of all of this. So no worries about that. He has put on some anti-inflammatory drugs also, so that again are taking care of him. No worries. So how was the hospital stay and all?
It was fine.
It was fine. So how are you happy with the scar? Did you see the scar revision done? Did you really observe that, appreciate it? So you can't see it anymore, but stitches are there. I'll be removing it in some few minutes. Okay, and this everything after the swelling goes, you will get a proper defined jaw over there, and you will be sending us photo next month. Sure. So for at least 6 months, you will be sending us your photos every month, so we can have a check on you. Okay, so this is what we usually tell everybody of our patients, to send photos once in a month at least, so that we can have a check in them how the things are going up. So they need not come all the way. So he has come from Lucknow, UP, so he not come for review and check-ups, so he can always have a contact with us on WhatsApp by sending his photos and letting us know how he is doing.